Remember the shop cat? It's no longer the shop cat. It's the house cat. Let's talk about the next project.
Okay, so I don't actually have paper on me, but this is gonna work. I wanna make decors. One is gonna be out of wood, so it's just gonna be a box, no big deal. Probably add some different colors, make it cool, minimal, whatever. Two, I definitely wanna make my head. I had a little teacup and then a little stand. Forgive me, I'm not a drawer. It would be a miniature plant stand, like one of my videos, which you should totally go check out. It would encase that little teacup and then a plant over here, succulent or whatever. This one would be a same thing, little plants. I definitely want to dip my toes into concrete, so this is where it's going to get a little bit more fun for me. But basically, I want to make a sphere out of concrete and then probably flatten out the bottom so it just stays, and then again, it's gonna have a little air plant or little succulent. This is what I'm gonna start with first, just because this is an arrow. This is definitely an arrow.
This is good. This is what I need. And is actually taking two different wood species. So this is oak and this is Brazilian cherry. You see this two species of wood, and then I'm gonna drill a hole. Then I'm gonna put my little plant in there, I think. I don't know. Kind of seems a little too small. But at the same time, if I make it bigger, then it might look too big. I'm gonna glue them. Glue them right here, right now. So this should be good. I don't really care too much. This right over here, I think it'll be okay. Square them up. So let that dry. These are finished. Now, basically, these are all 3/4 by 3/4. It's gonna be cut in half, and then I'm just gonna drill a hole, put glue, boom, bada bing. Should be done. Way too unsafe. We need to think of something different. I did a little shopping, and this is the form I'm gonna make for the concrete side, so the last step. This one turned out alright. So definitely had some trouble cutting it. This is a little bit too small than I had thought. I should have made big and then cut it all down to size. Didn't think that one through. Didn't want to cut off my fingers, so it's lopsided. So this is my first experiment with concrete. I've never done it before, but always wanted to do it. So how hard could it be? Watched a bunch of Homemade Modders, so I should be good, right? So now for the actual experiment part. So let's just go get a head start. I have my bucket. I'm gonna mix it in there, and then I probably should cut out a little bit of a hole. So I tried to find the most like quote unquote plasticky, but not like too brittle. And then I'll just like cut it off, you know, cut it out when the form is done. Beans. Okay, now I'm gonna get the concrete. Hold on. It's actually from Lowe's. I think I need more water. Just gonna get it as like pancake buttery. I don't know. I'm guessing it should be good. Scooping it. That's the fun of it. Hey, look at that, I'm a genius. But now I need the tape, so therefore not a genius. Let me get some tape. Just so it kind of stays there. I will check in probably tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. I'm gonna let it overnight, and then we'll see how it looks, and then I don't know. It's small enough to maybe it'll be hard enough to work with, but who knows. So it's actually been a couple days. I had it sit over the weekend in this mold or whatever, so I'm really curious how it turned out. Definitely didn't, not as I thought. So I want to cut it up, see how it looks. Did the concrete project turn out how I wanted it? No, but it was an experiment. I am happy with it, so which I want to show you. Check it. Fun to experiment with something that I haven't really worked with, and that was concrete. I thought it'd be really cool to make very limited edition stuff. Maybe you were like, I wish I could get that, and here's your opportunity. So I just want to know how many of you guys would be interested in these little knick-knack decor stuff. So thanks for watching, and until next time, BB now.